Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing this USB-C to HDMI adapter. This is a 4K USB Type-C to HDMI female. This is compatible with any devices that use Type-C cable. Alright, so right here we have our Type-C to HDMI. This is not bi-directional, so it is a USB-C to HDMI only. This is a plug-and-play rejection delay. The specifications is a USB Type-C male, output HDMI female. This USB-C HDMI adapter is only compatible with the devices whose C port supports DP out mode. So these are good to watch videos, but some apps can't project videos to the screen due to the copyright protection reasons. On Apple iPhone 15 series, the screen monitoring maintains the phone's vertical orientation of the display, which there is no automatic adjustments. Some landscape supporting apps may show black bars if the aspect ratio is differ. You can turn screens off, monitor disconnects Apple's native apps. You got Apple TV that can stay connected when running in the background. You can also run the Fire Stick from the Amazon. So this is compatible with all the devices that uses Type-C ports. So right here is your user guide. So you do get an instructions manual as well as a user guide. This basically just tells you how to connect it. So in the iPhone series, it works with the 15, 15 Pro, 15 Plus, Pro Max, and most of these Samsung Galaxy devices. As far as the Apple devices, you've got the Apple Pro Max, Air, Late, and you got the Studio, the iPads. It also works in other devices like Dell's, Google's, Microsoft, HP's, Huawei's, Asus. So this is compatible with most devices that does use a Type-C port. It is recommended you read the user manual just to make sure that it is compatible with your device. So there's no additional driver or software required, which is perfect solutions for your iMac, Surface, Book 2, or any other devices that you may have that runs a Type-C. So this is my MacBook Pro. This one does only have a Type-C ports. It does not have any USB, so this one works perfectly. It just pops in here just like this. So any MacBook or any devices that uses a Type-C is compatible with this device. You can watch anything from your phone or a projector, or you can even connect your Amazon Fire Stick or Cube to this as long as it uses an HDMI, but it is not backwards compatible, so it only does the HDMI to the Type-C. So I would highly recommend checking this one out if you're looking for an HDMI port.